Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Steam game save data. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Steam. In the top left, click Steam and then navigate to Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Cloud, click Cloud and then disable Enable Steam Cloud. Close out of that, find the game that you want to delete the save for, right click on it and first click Properties. With Properties now open, find where it says Steam Cloud under General and turn that off as well. Next, right click on it again, click Manage, and then click Browse Local File. With this folder now open, I've just showed two examples here. You'll likely see a folder either called Saved or Saved Game or something along those lines. All you want to do is highlight it, right click on it, and then hit delete. The next thing you want to do is open up your preferred browser and type in Steam plus the game that you're trying to delete the save for. If this doesn't come up as the first listing, literally open up Steam via the web browser and then just use the search bar and find your game. What you want from here is if we look at the URL, we see this number here. So for Dota 2, this is 570. With this number, we now want to open up our file explorer and navigate to where Steam is installed. So for me, it's in local disk, program files, x86, Steam. And then from here, you want to scroll down slightly and find user data. This is the user ID for my account. So we just open that up. And then as you can see, 570 is here. So we just want to right click again and then click delete. Now we have purged every single piece of information for the specific game and our cloud saves are turned off. So the next time you open up the game, you should have a fresh save. Failing that, the last resort after doing all of this and making sure that you don't turn anything back on is to reinstall the game. Sometimes that fixes some errors where you've done everything here and it's still somehow loading an old save. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.